Before you launch, get potential customers into a Facebook group, get them excited about you, your product, and then when you launch, you'll get a surge of traffic to Amazon and you'll get a ton of reviews right away. Use Instagram, SEO'd articles, paid advertisement, and just all social media to drive traffic to your Amazon page. Amazon loves when you drive external traffic to your product page and will reward you by promoting your product. Before you launch on Amazon, create an email list. This will allow you to get people excited about your product, and when you do launch, you'll drive a ton of traffic to your Amazon page right away. Amazon sees the initial traffic, initial sales, and this will snowball into more success. Make sure you have the basics done. A high quality main image, a keyword rich title that makes people want to purchase from you, high quality bullet points that show the benefits of your product, a description that highlights why your product's amazing, and all the other images that you can add. Use the question and answer section of your product page to make customers confident that your product is the right one for them. Give your customers discounts for buying more than one item. This will increase your sales, which will increase your sales rank, making Amazon promote you even more. You can use Amazon's paid ads to rank #1 for any keyword you want, and this method has amazing ROI. Make your product unique and stand out. Do not sell the same junk as everybody else. Sell something different. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe down below. My name's Travis, and I teach people how to create their own unique product and sell it on Amazon. Hope to see you in the next video.